What if Earth was a water planet, completely covered in oceans? Imagine waking up every day to the sight of endless blue with no land in sight. The horizon would be a seamless blend of sky and sea, creating a mesmerizing yet daunting vista. No land, just water as far as the eye can see. The concept of land would become a distant memory, a tale from ancient times. Our entire existence would revolve around the vast, unending ocean. How would humanity adapt to a life spent entirely at sea? The challenges would be immense, but so would the opportunities. We would have to rethink our entire way of living, from our homes to our means of transportation. To survive, we'd have to develop floating cities, marvels of engineering and ingenuity. These cities would be designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the open ocean, from towering waves to relentless storms, massive self-sustaining structures drifting on the surface, equipped with everything we need to live comfortably. These floating metropolises would be powered by renewable energy sources, harnessing the power of the sun, wind and waves, providing homes, schools and workplaces for millions of people. Imagine a world where your daily commute involves hopping on a boat or a submarine instead of a car or a bus. Imagine skyscrapers that never touch the ground because, well, there is no ground. These towering structures would be anchored to the ocean floor, swaying gently with the rhythm of the waves. Travel would be completely different. The concept of roads and highways would be replaced by vast networks of waterways connecting floating cities and communities. Instead of roads and cars, we'd use high-speed boats, submarines, or even advanced jet skis to commute between cities or islands made of floating habitats. These vehicles would be designed for speed and efficiency, cutting through the water with ease. Or even advanced jet skis to commute between cities or islands made of floating habitats. The freedom of movement would be unparalleled, with the entire ocean as our highway. Agriculture would evolve as well. Traditional farming methods would be impossible, so we'd have to innovate and adapt to our new environment. With no land for traditional farming, we'd rely on underwater farms, growing seaweed, algae and other marine plants. These crops would be rich in nutrients and could be harvested sustainably, and even engineered crops that thrive below the surface. Scientists would develop new varieties of plants that can grow in salt water, providing us with a diverse and resilient food supply. Sustainable fish farms would provide protein, ensuring that we have a steady supply of seafood. These farms would be carefully managed to prevent overfishing and maintain the health of marine ecosystems, while scientists might even develop new sources of food. The ocean is teeming with life, and we would explore every possibility to feed our growing population. Our bodies might change too. Over generations, humans could adapt to this aquatic environment. Imagine stronger lungs for longer dives, or skin better suited to the sun and salt water. Over generations, humans could adapt to this aquatic environment. Imagine stronger lungs for longer dives, or skin better suited to the sun and salt water. Our bodies would evolve to meet the demands of our new lifestyle. Or skin better suited to the sun and salt water. We might develop thicker skin to protect against the harsh elements, or even webbed fingers and toes to help us swim more efficiently. Diving would become an everyday skill, essential for survival. Children would learn to swim and dive from a young age, exploring the underwater world with ease. And the ocean floor would be our playground. We would discover new landscapes and ecosystems, uncovering the mysteries of the deep sea. We'd have to learn to coexist with the creatures of the deep. The ocean is home to a vast array of marine life, from tiny plankton to massive whales. The ocean is full of life we've barely begun to understand. Giant squids, mysterious deep-sea fish, and perhaps even undiscovered species. Our relationship with these creatures would be crucial to our survival, and perhaps even undiscovered species. We would embark on countless expeditions to explore the depths, driven by our curiosity and need for knowledge. Marine research would be one of humanity's top priorities. Understanding the ocean and its inhabitants would be essential for our survival and prosperity. Living on a water planet would transform every part of human life, our cities, our technology, even our bodies. We would become a truly aquatic species, adapting to our new environment in ways we can only imagine. Would we rise to the challenge of thriving in such an environment, or would we sink beneath the waves? The resilience and ingenuity of humanity would be put to the ultimate test. Or would we sink beneath the waves? The ocean is a harsh and unforgiving place, and survival would require constant innovation and adaptation. It's a future we can only imagine, for now. But the possibilities are endless, and the potential for discovery is boundless. What do you think life on a water planet would be like? Would we thrive in this new world or struggle to survive? The answers lie in our ability to adapt and innovate. Let us know in the comments and share your thoughts on this fascinating scenario. How would you envision life on a water planet? And don't forget to subscribe for more what-if scenarios. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities of our universe.